Hello and welcome back. We did connect our hands. Now I'm connecting the nose. And this is how I do that. I place my bunny in front of me and I will make sure that my nose will be connected in the middle, but a little bit below the eyes. So I place the eyes, making sure that the nose and eyes will look nice. Once I do that, I will take a needle and I will attach my nose with one stitch. That will be my bottom stitch. And now I can remove my eyes and just go around and connecting my nose to the project. This piece is very small, so take your time. Make sure you're going from the main part through both pieces, placing needle in each stitch. It is important to use every stitch. You don't want to have any gaps in between connection. With this project, our nose has 12 stitches around, so I'm making sure I will use all 12 stitches. Also, we added different color yarn design to the nose. So when you're going through those stitches, make sure you will not pick up that design color yarn. You want that to be separated from your last round of the stitches. So as you see right now, I'm having a little bit trouble to put my needle through, but kind of remove that design color yarn. You want that design color yarn to be separated. And as you see, by adding this nose, your face looks a little bit different now, has some dimension. And once we add eyes, we will make the shape of the head a little bit different as well, and will look more like a bunny. I hope you found this information helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you want to see how I connect eyes, please visit this video. And also, as you see, I'm hiding my ends the same way as I did with hands, just pulling yarn through the center of my project without pulling too much. I do not want to change the shape. And we are almost done. Thank you for crocheting with me or attaching pieces to the crochet items today. I hope I see you next time. Have a wonderful day.